to another episode of the Cardinal Cooking Show. Today we are making special treats for St. Patrick's Day called Lucky Charm Treats. My name is Chef Kaylee, and today I'm sitting here with
Chef Ashanti.
Chef Ashanti. Do you have any more fun facts on these treats?
Lucky Charm treats are easy to make with only 3 ingredients. No baked treats are ready to eat in 15 or less. You're going to love these gooey marshmallow treats with fun marshmallow shapes from Lucky Charm cereal. They will be magical and delicious.
For these treats, like she said, you only need 1 stick of salted butter, 1 bag of mini marshmallows, and a box of Lucky Charm cereal. As you know, Cardinals, you always start cooking with clean hands, so make sure you clean your hands beforehand. Then, grease a pan with cooking spray and set it aside. Next, melt your butter and marshmallows together in a large pan over medium-low heat, stirring consistently until melted just right. Ashanti, what are the next steps?
Pour the marshmallows mixture over the cereal. Fold the cereal and marshmallows mixture together. Empty the mixture into the grease pan and press evenly. Be gentle and don't pack the cereal in hard. Cool completely and cut into bars. Store any leftovers inside the pan and cover tightly with foil or plastic wrap. And it lasts for up to 5 or 7 days.
They sure won't last up to 5 to 7 days if I get my hands on them. And now we have Malia Thomas, Kaylee Gaskin, and Jemiah Williams for more facts.
Hi.
The luck of Irish and all things green are celebrated on St. Patrick's Day, which is on March 17th every year. It is a day to honor beloved St. Patrick, the patron saint of Ireland. St. Patrick was actually British during the Roman period but went to Ireland and is credited to bringing Christianity there. Over time, the holiday has evolved into a fun and festive celebration of Irish culture. Did you know that
the Chicago turned the river green? That first year, the Chicago German Plumbers Union dumped 100 pounds of dye into the river, turning it green for a solid week. Nowadays, the union uses about 40 pounds of vegetable-based powder dyes that are more environmentally friendly, and turn the river green for just a few days.
Another way to celebrate is parades. Parades are the heartbeat of St. Patrick's Day festivals in America. The first St. Patrick's Day parade happened in America, not Ireland.
Here is a St. Patrick's trivia. What was St. Patrick's favorite color? A, sky blue, B, green, C, red, D, blue. Turn your answers into the media center.
Did you also know the shamrock, as an Irish symbol, is said to have been popularized by St. Patrick? Also, leprechauns are Celtic fairies, and they often play tricks. Thanks for joining today's episode of Cooking with the Cardinals. Bye.
Are you guys excited to eat these treats?
Yes!
Hey guys! Hey! Look what I caught!
Oh, we caught a leprechaun!
Yeah!
Can I hold him?
Of course!
Thank you so much!
But I'll take that.